Yes, actually, yesterday we have completed with the goods receipt with PO, right? Let me share my screen.
Yes.
So this topic you understood, right? Goods received with respect to PO. You have created the material, you have created the vendor. PIR and PR is optional. Once you're done with this, you have created the PO, then you have done the MIGO, right? By using goods receipt A01 and with respect to the purchase order, you have to mention the purchase order number, then you have to create the GR, right? There you will be getting the movement type as an 10101, right? And the whatever the material, the stock over you can see by using the MMBE T code. This you understood, right, everyone? Hello, Manish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah. Like the second one is I told you to create JR without PO, right? Uh, can anyone summarize why we are creating the JR without PO?
Sometimes in emergency,
Some
we
emergency
we
or
need
urgency of
to
the material.
material, and that time we can contact with the vendors, and vendor will provide the materials without any PO. It is only based on the relations, or like long term. We deal with this vendor, that time he will help.
Okay. Yes. So I'll show you how to create GR without PO now. We'll create one material. Okay, now this material we need from the vendor. Mm, Which material type and industry sector you have used yesterday for the creation of GR without PO, Manish?
RH.
I used ROH
Okay.
and industry to mine. That is
Okay.
only.
I think the error which you have sent to me, right? Actually, you have
Yes.
not assigned properly the quantity and the value update which I have shown you. Like you have to assign that material type and the industry sector, right? That you have
Hmm.
not assigned properly. Try with the existing, the standard industry sector and the standard material type. Today, okay?
Okay. Actually, I tried with two different material, two different industries, but
Yeah, let me show you now. We'll check whether I'm material for GR without PO. Okay. Placement of measure PG and then 0. And one more thing I have to tell you. See, yesterday I have told you like the material we can put into the block or the inspection, right? See, in the while creating the material master only directly you can check this box. This you can see right post to inspection stocks. If you wanted your material to be done by the quality check, you can check this box while creating the material only. Okay, or else you can do the changes in the GR. But if you wanted in a prior, if you have any data like the whatever the material you are buying from the new vendor, if you wanted that material to be checked by the quality team, you can check here, check this box, post to inspection stocks. Once the material will be done by the qualities, then you can do the GR and the IR. Okay, you have the option while changing in the material master either, or else you can do it in a GR. GR I have shown you right yesterday. I'll show you once again today. Okay, just in the purchasing tab in the other data field, you can see this checkbox post to inspection stock. You can check this box if you wanted the material to be qualified. If your material should be done for the quality check, you can check this box. Okay. As of now, I'll not do anything. Just enter valuation class. 1000 instant have created the material, right? I'll just I created one material now. So exactly, I'll go to the MyGo here with respect to the GR, and then you have to mention it in R10. Okay, where you have to put the material number. Manish,
Yeah, in the item data.
just I'll copy my material number. Which movement type it came?
501.
501. Right. Okay. The material, all the details, it's done. Then quantity. So how much quantity you are buying from the vendor? Suppose you can
20
take 10. Okay, I'll buy just 50. Okay. For which location you require?
TP10.
Okay. Under which storage location? RM00. Then item, okay, it's already ticked. Then partner, it's not necessary. Account assignment, once you're done, it will come. That's all, yeah. You have to check it. It's working. I'm not getting any error. See, I have checked here.
Yeah.
Document is okay, so I can save it now. See what I have done, just I have mentioned and the material number here automatically it took all the details. In the under the quantity, I have mentioned the quantity, how much quantity I'm receiving from the vendor. Then under the where I mentioned the particular plant name and then the storage location, for which particular storage location I required this material. Then item okay, and you don't need to change anything here. Partner account assignment, everything will be same. And if you scroll down here, see here you can see the movement type, right? 501.
Yes.
Yeah, there's nothing changes. I think you have taken the existing material, which the PO and PIR was done.
No, no. Actually, yesterday I make new both 2 times. I make new materials, new vendors,
Hmm.
and one with PO, one without PO, and then I tried, but it won't work.
Okay, fine. Now you have seen, right, how it's working. Like we will just finish few topics now. Then you can share your screen, okay, Manish and Srinivas. You both can share your
Okay.
screen. We'll finish up the topics. Two, three topics are there related to GR configuration. We'll do now first. Once we are done with this configuration part, you both can share your screen. What issue you are facing, you can show me, okay? You can create the GR without PO only, okay? When you share your screen. Done?
Yes. Yes.
So now I'll just save the GR. See here, material document, it's posted. You will get the material document number. Okay. And so this is we have done with the GR with respect to the PO and GR without PO. So movement type also you have noted, right? And then I told you we'll do the cancellation of the material document. So why we are to cancel the material document? Can anyone explain the scenario?
Yes.
Yes, Manish.
Uh, like in condition when sometimes I buy material from this vendor and there is a variation in the quantity. Sometimes they send material halfly, and further we don't require the material. That time we created the GR, and we have to reverse the GR, or we have to cancel the GR, the first one, and we have to make new GR. That time we have to do cancellation process.
See, that time we are not canceling. Actually, you're confused. Okay, see, yesterday what
Mm.
I told you, delivery inspection indicator I have shown you, right? Like this is the different cancellation, the return delivery is different. Just what I told you, delivery inspection. For example, under the PO, we have mentioned 250 quantities. Okay. You are the vendor, I'm the buyer. Like I'm from the company side, I want to buy the material. So my requirement is 250. So you are the vendor. What will happen? You will be delivering 150 material at a time. Okay. Remaining 100 materials you need to deliver. But as of that time, what I will do, I don't require the remaining 100 materials. Okay. For that reason, I'll check that particular delivery inspection indicator box. Okay. That is, we are not canceling the material document. Just whatever the required material we need to buy from the vendor. So that material is not required for further use. So that's the reason I'll check that particular delivery inspection indicator box. Okay. That is different. This completely the cancellation of the document. I'll explain you the scenario also. Okay.
Okay.
See, for the cancellation of a material document, what you have to do first, 1 second, you have to create the material. MM01, you know, right? The second, the normal vendor. Third, payer. This is optional. If you wanted to create, you can create, or else it's not required. Fourth one, PR. Even this is optional. Fifth one, PO. For example, PO, what I will do, I required 100 quantity. Okay. I'll do the PO now. I'll record 100 quantity, and then I'll do the GR also for this. Okay.
Ma'am,
GR.
for cancellation of material document, is it necessary to create PO?
Sorry.
Or without also you can
Sorry.
cancellation of material document?
Hmm.
Is it mandatory to maintain PO?
Yes. So first we will create one material. First we will create one vendor, and then PIR, PR I will not create, and then we'll create one PO. Okay. And till GR I will do the procedure. So once we are done with the GR, so what happened? Just assume. Okay. Assuming vendor delivered only 90 pieces. Okay. 90 pieces. By mistake, what I have done is I have with mistake I have posted 100 pieces. Like, okay, by mistake posted for 100 pieces instead of 90 pieces. Here I have done the GR for the 100 pieces. That's the reason we need to cancel the document. Okay, posted for 100 piece. For this, we do the cancellation. Okay, material document and redo the GR for 90 pieces. Okay, see what will happen. So I'll order 100 quantity from the Manish. Okay, what will happen? Manish is delivering only 90 piece. By mistakenly, what I have done while doing the GR, I mistakenly have done the GR for 100 pieces. So then later, when I see the quantities, it's only 90 pieces. That time, what I need to do is, I need to cancel the GR document first. Then I have to redo the GR with the particular quantity, like how much I have received. Only 90 pieces I have received from the Manish. Okay, that I need to post it. Okay, that we will do in the system now. I'll create one material. Okay, this material for cancellation of GR. Everything is same, kg, and then 0. Have done the material. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll create the vendor now. What is the T code for the vendor?
Schedule.
1989, and then purchase organization. TP. Account group?
KRED.
Yes. Vendor. Sure. Mention of GR. 525. Country IN. What is the reconciliation account?
Even.
Yes. Order currency INR. So payment. Mention immediately. Okay. I have created the vendor also now. Note down this vendor number. PR and a PR I will not create, and directly I will go to the PO. Quantity. So how much quantity I have noted on? 100 quantity, right? So 100 quantity with 5 rupees. Okay. Not exist or is not activated. We have created the material, right? And why it's showing? We have saved the material, right? Properly.
Yes.
Yes.
I show you material one. Let me try with the material number. Engine. Yes. I have created one more material. Okay. Just I'll change the material number here. No messages issued. We have done. See, we have ordered PO quantity is 100. Okay. And note on the net price we have maintained 5 rupees. It's done. Okay, we'll save it now. We have done the PO also now. the PO number. Now what we have to do?
GR.
Yes, we'll do the GR now. I need to get the purchase order number. Then go to quantity. See, you can see the quantity 100. It's automatically taken. Then you have to give the item OK. And then go to where you have to mention particular storage location. So I have done the okay, I'll done. And I'll check if any messages is the document is okay, right? So what I have done, I have created the PO for 100 quantity. Then I have done the GR for the 100 quantity also. Okay, the same thing I'll do now. This is the material document number. Okay, see what happens where mistakenly has saved it for 100. Actually, vendor has delivered only 90 pieces. Okay, by mistakenly I have done the GR for the 100. For this, what you have to do is already you have done the GR, right? So go for MyGo, the same transaction. Yesterday I have told you, I have given a hint. So where I need to go here?
Cancellation.
Cancel. So automatically took the material document number 25. You can cross check here. See 900000025. Okay. Automatically it took. Then based on the material document and anyone 1 second. So can anyone observe the movement type here? What movement type you are getting for the cancellation of the GR?
1 or 2.
Yes. See here. What is the movement type for the normal GR? The standard GR.
101.
101.
Okay. GR without PO?
501.
Yes. For the cancellation of the GR?
102.
Yes. Okay. See what we have to do? We have to cross check here. The quantity, we already done the GR for the 100. What you have to do is you have to cancel this particular material document. You don't need to change anything here. Okay. Just see this movement type. See everything is, see. Check. Okay.
Ma'am, that R02 will automatically come.
Yeah, this will automatically come. Yes. Then you have to go give the item okay. Then check if you're getting any error or any message. Document is okay. You don't need to change anything. Just give your A03 cancellation automatically R02 material document and document number will come here. So check your document number. Cross check your document 9000025. It's correct. Sometimes it may get the wrong also. That's why cross check it here. Once you're done with, you don't need to change anything here. Just observe the moment type. What moment type you're getting? 102. And then under the material tab also, you don't need to do anything. But under the quantity also, you will not get the option to change it here under the cancellation. Okay. Just what you have to do is you have to check this item okay box. That's all. And then every data, like all this data is already there. Once you're done with this, check and then save. Okay, we have done the cancellation part. Then we have to again redo the GR. The 7th step is cancel the GR document. This is the GR document number. Okay, here you have to check item okay box. And the what is the moment type here?
102.
102. Okay. Cancel the GR document. This is the 102. And then, so done. Did I cancel document? Is it the last step?
No, we have to do the GRN again.
Yes. We have to redo the GR. redo the GR, update it here now. Go for MyGo. See, give your purchase order number. Okay, see here. Now you can change your quantity. How much quantity you have received? You have received only 90 quantity. Okay, that you can maintain it here and then give item okay. And then under the where mention the storage location, the same steps. Okay. So which moment type it came again?
101.
101. So this is the standard, right? Then check. If you're getting deficit, see, this is not the error, okay? Deficit of PO ordered quantity 10 kg. Why you are getting this one? How much quantity we have ordered to the vendor?
100.
So how much we have received?
Only 90.
So what is the
That is
remaining
difference.
quantity?
10 kg.
Yes, this is not the error. This is the error message you will be getting whenever you do the GR. Okay. So if you are receiving the full quantity, it will not show you whatever the message you are getting, right? If you are receiving complete 100 materials, you will not get any message. Suppose if you as of now I have received only 90 kg from the vendor, that's why the remaining 10 kg is left over. That's why you are getting this message. This is not the error. Okay. Give it here and then see redo the GR. This is how you have to redo the GR. Suppose by mistakenly if you maintain 100 pieces, if the vendor has delivered only 90 pieces, you can do this step. Okay. For example, yesterday already I told you I have received now 90 quantity. Okay. Remaining 10 quantity vendor may deliver after some time. Okay. After a few days he may deliver. But what my requirement is, I don't require the remaining 10 materials. So can anyone tell me what step I need to do? Yesterday already I told you. Manish? I don't require the remaining 10 quantities.
No, I don't. Yeah.
Item okay, check box.
Stop time.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Stop
set
time.
delete completed. There we have to select the set.
Second.
Second
Yes.
option.
Set 2. Second option.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This so why this checkbox have not updated here?
This is not saved yet.
GR we already done. See here? We already done the GR. Why this checkbox has not done? Not updated.
Selected set automatically, and you have not saved it.
No, no, no. Did I receive the full quantity?
90 quantity.
No.
Only I have received the 90 quantity, right?
Yeah.
Still remaining 10 quantity I can receive from the vendor, right?
Yes.
That's the reason this checkbox is empty. Okay. Yesterday we have created the GR, right? So I'll just show you that GR. For this we have received full complete material, right? I'll just show you. See here. Delivery completion indicator PO item. Why this text box is there? We have received the complete 250 material, right, from the vendor.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the reason this checkbox has updated. If you have not received the complete material which we have ordered through the PO, for example, the scenario which I have told you right now, only the 90 quantity we have received, the remaining 10 quantities we can receive, and the vendor will deliver later. Okay, that time this delivery completion indicator box will not check. Okay, now you understood, right? What is the difference? Any doubt here? Manish, Monica, Sneha, Sukanya, Srinivas? So cancellation of a material document, you know right now.
So Mansa,
Yeah.
we have to create this GR for 100 piece first one, then we have to cancel
Yes.
this GR, and then again we have to create mm, this GR for the received quantity, like 90 piece.
Yes.
This is the problem.
Yes. Redo the, I'll write down. Redo the GR for 90 quantity. That's all. First, the normal procedure, the normal GR, we already done the GR, okay, 100 pieces, sir. But vendor has delivered the 90 pieces. That time, you have to just go to the cancel of the GR document. There, observe the movement type, okay, 1 or 2 movement type will come, and you have to just give the item, okay, check box. You have to check that box, and you have to save it. Once you're done with the saving part, then again redo the GR by using the MyGo. There, under the quantity, you can mention how much quantity you have received. Suppose I have taken the 90 quantity, you can receive 50 quantity also. Mention that how much quantity you have received from the vendor, and then you will be getting one mirror message. The remaining quantity is there. So I have shown you, right? The 10 quantity is left over. That
Yes.
message you will get, just give the tick mark. That is not the error, and then say the document, GR document. And you can receive the remaining material later. If you are receiving that material later, it's fine. Or else, if you don't want that material for further purpose, I have shown you the indicator, right? Delivery completion indicator. Just 1 second. Sukanya has answered that question. See, if you don't require the remaining quantity from that particular vendor, you can set here. You can check this box to set, okay? Or else if you want to receive that material later, you don't need to do any changes. You can just save the document, okay?
Okay.
And note down this one. So if you are receiving the complete quantity, whatever the quantity you have ordered from the PO, this checkbox, this delivery completion indicator box will update. Or else if you have received only the half of the quantity or the 90 quantity, this delivery completion indicator box will not update here. Okay. Observe it here, this delivery completion indicator and then the movement types. So you have to observe these things. Done? Any doubt here?
Yes, I have. Mansa, so
Yeah.
if you receive like 50 quantity
Mhm.
only, and remaining 50 quantity will become in next few days. So that time we are changing here the option like second set or something.
No, you don't need to change anything. If you want that material for in the future, if the vendor is receiving, no need to change anything. If that particular material is not required, then you can do the settings here. Change it to set, or else no need to do any changes here. Vendor may deliver after 10 days also, the remaining 50 quantities.
So for the 50 quantity, how to take the GR? Like we have to put the 50 quantity in GR and remaining 50 next time we have to do again GR like this.
Yeah, the same procedure you have to follow, the same PO number.
Okay, the quantity just change.
Yeah. See. I have shown you, right? The 90 quantity has took the remaining 10 quantities. The system has shown me the message, right? The 10 quantity is left over in the PO. Like we have ordered the 100 quantity, but we have received only 90 quantity. So the remaining 10 quantities, if the vendor is delivering tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can do it by using the same PO number. You have to use the same PO number.
Okay.
Okay. And you have to redo the GR.
Okay.
Done?
Yes.
Yes, Sukanya.
Every time we are creating the material vendor and the PO.
Not every time. If you have already the existing material vendor vendor PO, you can do the GR, okay. But as of now, I have created the new material vendor and PO. The reason is to not confuse you, okay. For few of the material and vendor, we have maintained the PIR and the PR. Everything we have maintained, okay. So there will be a changes.
So,
If you have the existing material and if you have the existing vendor, if you have the existing already you have created the PO, just go with that particular PO number and do the GR. But my suggestion is create new material vendor PO and GR. Whenever you're doing any new topic now, GR, IR and everything, do it from the beginning. Once you're thorough with all these topics, then you can take the PR number or the PO number, you can do the GR. Whatever the existing material vendor PIR, PR, PO you have created, you can use that existing numbers and you can create the GR, IR like that. Okay.
Mansa, I have one question. Okay, we have already done one GR with the wrong quantity. For 90 pieces, we would have to take, so we have taken 100. So 0.25 that we have taken. After that, we have cancelled and did 26. What is the status of 25 now? It is still available or it will be in a cancelled mode? What will be the status of that?
Can you repeat it again?
We have already done the GR for 100 pieces instead of 90. As
Oh.
GR number is
Your voice is not audible.
as GR number is 0025.
Yeah, this your number you're asking, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah. That, what will happen to that? It will be remain same or means what is the status of that?
The GR number will going to change. See, if you have not done any changes, the GR number will be the same. But what you have done, we have done the cancellation of the particular GR document, right? That time I will be getting the new GR number.
Okay, if we go and search this 0025, that will not be available in the system.
Let me show you in the system. Also. Wait. What is the how I can check the GR document?
MIGO.
MyGo, and then we have to give the display mode, right?
Yes.
Take this GR number. What you can see?
ma'am, if you want to change the quantity, then we have to go to the display and there we can change the quantity part, right?
Under the display, you can't change anything.
Okay.
You can only see. Did I get any option here? Wait.
No, there is no option.
No, only display.
Yeah, only display. Whatever we have done in the GR, just we can see this information. That's all. Here.
And if you want to change the quantity or any other details,
Again, you have to go to the redo the GR,
okay.
the normal GR. Then again, I will check with this material document numbers. Neha. Just see the changes. You can access it, okay? 26. Again, we have done nothing changes. We have done just under the quantity. We have given the item okay, checkbox we have updated. That's all. While cancelling, did we maintain anything, Srinivas?
No, ma'am.
Only you can see the movement type. There is a changes. 1 or 2 movement type you can see while you're doing the cancellation. Okay, there is nothing changes. So we'll check with this GR. Now you can see the changes. See here. Sneha, you can see, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you have any questions now? Sneha?
Yeah, no.
No, if you have any questions, you can ask.
No, actually, we did item okay for the first GR.
Till here, everything is same as it is. Yesterday we have done the normal GR.
Yeah, till
Everything
that
is
is clear. Only the
to
material.
cancel the GR document, what you have to do is you have to give the number and then you have to give the item okay here. Okay, item okay, check box you have to tick and then just you have to save it here.
Okay.
Okay, then again you have to redo the GR for 90 quantity. Whenever you redo the GR, you have to mention the PO number. Okay, once you mention that, update the quantity. Just maintain the 90 quantity. If you wanted 50 quantity, you can mention the 50 quantities, and the remaining 50 quantities you can do the GR later. Okay, and you will be getting the message also. See that message. What message you are getting?
Okay.
That is not the error.
Okay.
And why we are getting that message means in the PO we have ordered the 100 quantity, but while receiving we have received only the 50 quantity. So still 50 quantity we can receive by with reference to that particular PO. Okay, that's why the system will show you the messages. Okay, just note down that messages and then give a tick mark and then you can save it.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll go for the return delivery for a vendor. Okay, I will not create material, vendor and PO now. I'll take the existing one. It will get more time.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
yeah. Then I'm just trying with the standard PO if I want to change something. So there I'm
Sorry.
getting then from MyGo when I am giving the purchase order number, existing purchase order number to change something. When I'm giving that, it is telling it does not contain any selectable item.
Only 1 second. Actually, your voice is not properly. It's got coming some echo.
Hello.
Yeah. Now.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. You can tell.
When I'm giving the purchase order number,
Mhm.
it is telling us does not document this does not contain any selectable items.
Selectable items.
Yeah.
Whenever you're giving the PO number.
Yeah. Means
Well,
I created the GR, but I want to change that GR. So I'm giving that PO number, but I'm getting this message.
Okay, I will check that one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Share your screen. So first we'll do the return delivery. As of now, I'll not create any material, vendor and all. Everything is same. Okay. I'll just copy this. So it will get more time consuming. If you want, you can create the new material, vendor, PIR and the PR, and then you can create the PO. Okay. Once you're done with this, do the GR also. Sixth step is GR for 100. Actually, we have done the GR also, right? I will take that particular number only. No, we'll do the GR 1 second. Actually, we have cancelled this document and then we have done. We'll do the GR 1 second. I'll do the GR. This, the first normal GR you have to do. Take this PO number. See, we can see the changes now. What you can see the changes?
Quantity.
Quantity. Why am I getting 10 quantity?
Leftover quantity.
Sorry?
Leftover quantity.
Yes.
That is
So
difference.
I'll try to give just 20 quantity. Let me check what error I'll get. See, PO ordered quantity exceeded by 10 kg. Right? I'm getting this error. So what I have to do? Give 20 quantity and check. 10 quantity and check. The document is okay and you have to save. Okay. So we'll do the PO also. The cancellation we have already. First we'll do the PO. Session me 21. Then we'll take this one. Material. Okay. I'll take the PO quantity as 200. The plant TP10. 200 PO quantity. Then if any no messages were there, then I'll say the document. This number. Give it here. Then we'll do the GR now. Okay. Fashion Marco. See, first, if you wanted to, which scenario we have to do the return delivery? Yes, Manish.
Might be the issue with the quality.
Yes. Assuming I have received, see, I ordered PO 200 quantity, right? And GR also I received 200 quantity. Okay, assuming 200 piece received from vendor. Out of that, 50 piece get rejected. Okay, 50 piece rejected due to vendor mistake. Okay, for this, what I have to do? I have to return this materials. I have to return this 50 piece to the vendor. Just I have done the GR for the 200. We have done. Did we? Have we done the GR? No, right? We have to do the GR. We have done the GR for 200 quantity. Okay. Then item okay. Storage location the normal. Check if you are getting any error. No. Then save it. Take this number. GR number. We have done the GR for the 200 quantity also. So after receiving the materials of 200 quantities, then I'll get to know in these 200 pieces which I have received from the vendor. If, out of this, like almost 50 pieces is rejected due to the vendor mistake. Okay, so what I need to do is I have to send this 50 material to the vendor. Okay, for this what you have to do is, can anyone tell me which field I have to select now? Yes. Then check the material document number 28, right? Cross check it here. 928. Okay. Enter. So all the details it took, storage location, training plant, material. So how much quantity you are returning?
50.
Okay. And then can anyone tell me the movement type for this return delivery?
122.
Where you can see that?
Above, yeah, here.
Yes. I'll show you what 122 contains. See here, return delivery to vendor. Right? You are returning the vendor. Whatever the material we have delivered, there is an mistake from the vendor, like the material is not proper. So you are returning that material to the vendor. That's why you are getting 122 movement type. I'll explain you what is movement types, and then account entry keys also. Okay. Next class I'll tell you. Just note down here 122 for the return delivery. This movement types in the interview, they will ask for the cancellation of the material document and for the return delivery to the GR, and for the standard GR, what and all movement type we will be getting, they will ask. Okay. Whenever you're doing this, note down here 122. What I'll do, where it's automatically took item, okay, I'll give you purchase order data. What I'll do, I'll just check. See what error you are getting.
Listen.
Why I'm getting this error? You have to give the reason, right? Why you are returning your material to the vendor. You have to give the reason, right? Particular reason. So that's why you're getting this error. See, under the where tab, see, you can see the reason for movement, right? Just click on this. You will be getting the option whether the material which you have received from the vendor is the poor quality, or it is the damaged one, or delivered with the wrong production, or it is the incomplete. So whatever the reasons in a real time, you have to mention that reason. As of now, I'll mention the damaged quantity I have received from the vendor, so that's why I'm mentioning damaged. Okay, just give this, enter, and then check what you're getting. Document is okay. Now I can save my GR. This is how you have to return the material to the vendor. Return delivery to vendor. What's the number? What is the movement type? Sukanya?
122. 122.
122. So I'll give you one more scenario here, okay? Try with your hand. If you're not getting, let me know. So what you have to do is, you have returned the vendor, return delivery to the vendor, right? The 50 quantity. You have to cancel that particular GR. This is the homework. Cancellation of return delivery. And you have to tell me the movement type also. The same thing, you have to do one more step here. That's all. I need the movement type also for this. Done? Any doubt, Manish?
No.
This is the homework. Everything is same. Just one more step you have to do it here for the cancellation of this return vendor, and movement type you can observe it in there. Okay. Just try with your hand and let me know if you're not getting. I'll show you in a system. Done? Shall we move on to the next topic in the GR only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We'll go for the GR configuration. Okay, here nothing much is there. Just you have to see how it will work. We don't need to create any number ranges here. Actually, it is the centralized one. Okay, as we have created the material type and the group and everything, we have created in the material master, vendor master, PIR and PR and everything, right? And we have assigned the internal and the external number ranges also. But in a GR, the screen field setting you can do, but the number ranges, it's already centralized. So I'll just show you how you can create the group and how you can see the number ranges. Okay, but you don't need to configure number ranges here. Then GR configuration, first one. Number ranges, and the second one is screen field setting. Show the number ranges. Just show you the path. SPRO, you can write down. Then SAP reference IMG. Then material management. Under material management, you have to go for the inventory management and physical inventory. You can see here, right? Under the external service management, you can see the inventory management and physical inventory. Done? Sukanya?
One sec.
Yeah.
You can repeat this one path.
Okay. SPRO. Or else I'll do one thing. SPRO. SAP. Reference IMG. And then material management. Then inventory management and physical inventory. Till here you are done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Inventory management and physical inventory. Just click on here. Once you click on that, where you can see the number assignment, you can see the number assignment here, right? Write down number assignment. Go back. Click on this number assignment. Then you can see this one, right? Define number assignment for material and physical inventory document, the second option. I'll write it down here. Define number assignment for material and physical inventory document. Once you're done with this, let me know.
Done.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, it's done.
Okay. The second one, you have to click on this, where you can say this, the group intervals, and the inner status.
Assigning numbers, number ranges.
Like in the material master and all, you have seen this, right? So here we are not creating any document type anything. Okay, just I'll show you how they have done. Go to this group. See, you can see the n number of the elements and groups here, right? See, in the material master, which field control the number assignment and the screen field setting and all.
Document type.
No, I'm asking in the material type. Material type, right?
Yes.
Material master, material type, and the vendor master, vendor account group, right? So
Yes.
here we have the document type. See, these are the groups already created. We are not creating any. This is how we have to create the group, and then we have to assign the number ranges. Okay, but here we are not assigning or we are not creating any group. The reason here is the for the GR, it's already centralized system. Okay, like whatever, like the here we will not be having any kind of customized document type. We don't have any customized document type here. See, have we created any document type while doing the GR? No, right? Have we created any document type? Have you seen that?
No, no.
No, right? So we
There's
won't be able to customize any document type. Okay, for our requirement, like for the specific user requirement, we can't able to create any document type here. Okay, it is always a centralized one, and which will be effect to everyone. So we have to follow the existing one. See, here they have created so many physical inventory, this and all. There is some changes. Just observe it here. I'll show you. Okay. See, there is one group is the W. This is the W is the document type for the GR. Okay. We are not customized anything. It's already the centralized one. You can see this, right? Goods received for purchased order. Just what we can see here is whatever the number ranges they have assigned, we can one second. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry. Just I'll show you for the other one. Number ranges for material document. See here. I'll just show you how they have assigned. See, this is the group they have created, number ranges for material document Adani. And there is some changes. Can anyone tell me what is the changes here? In the number ranges, there is a changes. Under the 2023,
Yes.
under the 2024.
We cannot change
Can
it
tell
from
me. Observe
normally
here.
from, yeah, it won't change.
No. See what happens in the material master, vendor master, PIR, PRPO, what we have done, the number which we require, like the client required. For example, I told you, right? 675 or 567, any number we can assign, right? From to two number. In the real time, we can give any number. Okay. And then if it's the number is not available, we have took from the interval, free interval. Then also if the free intervals is not available, we have took the existing one. But in the GR, what will happen every year? There is some changes in the year. Okay, 2023, 2024, you can see here, right? But the number ranges from number to two number, you can see it here. See, 0000490000. The same number will come into picture, but only the year will get changed. The number ranges will start from the same number. Okay, only the year will get changed. 2023, 2024. Just I'll show you one more group for this. I'll show you. See here, for 2022, the same number they have for 0000021000. Two number, the same thing. And in the 2024, the same thing they have followed, 210. Is there any changes in the number ranges from to two number ranges?
No.
Only they will update the only number ranges are maintained with a year, okay? Because every year the same number get repeated. Only the year will get changed. Okay, this is the difference compared to the previous number ranges. Here we are not going to define any document type and we are not going to define any group. The reason is here is the centralized one. We won't be able to customize any document type in the GR. Okay, it will affect to all the users. That's why we are not. So I'll try to assign for this. This and all the groups number ranges for goods received. 2024 the same number, 2025 the same number. For this 2024 they have used almost enough status is in 450. For the 2025 for the next year it's showing 0. Okay, you can cross check it here. Go 2022 2024 we have checked this one, then which is left? Physical inventory document. See here 1991 1999 2000 2001 2010 2020. Are you seeing any changes in the number ranges from to two number? Everything is started from the 01 and it's ending from the 010999999. Manish, are you getting?
Yeah, halfly.
What you got? Can let me.
But if there is a from or two number like it's the same like as per its show like 2022 to 2024, then why it has many group?
Sorry?
If the number range is like the same one for year like 2022, the range is same for all the things, why it shows more group there? It should be one or two group. There is
So
too many.
this one you're asking, right? See,
Yes.
these you can see the goods movement for subcontracting, usage decision, and these are all the different types. They have maintained the GR. Okay, see for the subcontracting process, for the consignment process, for the pipeline process, and all, we need to do the GR. Okay, there they have created the group and they have assigned it. This you can see, right? Goods movement for the subcontracting process, and the above I have showed you for the physical inventory process also. Just hold on, where it went. See here, physical inventory document. There are different groups are available for the different business process. Now what I'm showing you is the normal standard GR I'm telling you, okay? The whatever the groups here are there, they have maintained for the different business process. The upcoming classes, we are learning consignment process, subcontracting process, pipeline process, and then the service process like that. For that and all, you need to do the GR, IR, everything. Okay. That time also there is a few configuration setting is there. That's the reason you are getting this so many groups. Physical inventory documents group are there. And then like I told you, goods movement for subcontracting is there. Then somewhere it will be the consignment process also there is there. See, goods movement for inventory difference also is there. That is the reason you're getting so many groups here. Okay. Just for your reference purpose, I have shown you all the details, like from 1990s to till 2023, 2024. You can note down here. Number ranges are maintained with a year because every year same number get repeated. Hmm. Done. So the note you can write down. Done.
Yes.
Same thing if you wanted to check. For the GR, the document type is WE. So I'll just give you the WE. Here. For the GR, they are maintained from the 70001 to 70009 for the 2024. Okay. For the inventory, for the invoice verification also, you have to check the RE group. So that I'll show you in the next class whenever we are doing the invoice verification. Okay. Don't create, see the same step you can follow. Okay. You can create the group and you can do it here. But for the GR, we are not going to do it. Okay. If you've done any changes, it will automatically pop up to all the users. Okay, that's the reason for the GR, we are not going to customize any document type, and we are not going to create any group, and we are not going to assign any number ranges here. Done. So I'll go back. The second one is screen field setting. Okay. For the screen field setting, every step is same till here. What you can see here, you can see the settings for enjoy transactions, right? Manish?
Yes.
All the steps are same. Okay, whatever the number ranges steps we have followed, all the steps are same. Once you're done with this, see here, settings for goods movement, MyGo. Settings for enjoy transaction. Under this, you will be getting settings for goods movement. Write down this too. Once again. Yes. Once you're done with the inventory management and the physical inventory, you have to go for the settings for enjoy transactions. Yeah.
For number ranges, we don't need to change anything. It's centralized.
No, don't change, don't create anything for the GR. Okay, just go and check what are the number assigned. Okay, don't create or don't do anything for the number assigned. That's where I told you. Observe the years and see the number ranges, which number ranges they have maintained for all the groups.
See the year that you have shown.
Yeah, for the year, only the year will be changed, the number will be the same. Okay, just observe those things, don't create anything. Okay, yeah. For the number in the screen field setting, you can do the settings. Same path, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, material management, then inventory management and physical inventory. Once you are done with this, settings for enjoy transactions. Enjoy transactions. Then under the settings for enjoy transaction, you have to go for the settings for goods movement. Done.
Yes.
Click on this. What you can see, field selection for MyGo. Down this one. Field selection for MyGo. The first one, field selection for MyGo. Done.
Yes.
Click on this. So once you click on this, whatever the fields are there in the GR, you can do the changes. For example, what I will do, bill of lading, is it mandatory whenever we are doing the GR?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
So they have done it for the optional. Everything they have maintained for the optional. Okay. What I will do, I will just change it to required entry. Okay. I'll just change this into required entry and I'll save. For example, if you want base unit of measure, see, this input is nothing but the optional entry. They have made it. Okay. All the fields they have made it for the optional entry. Whatever the fields you require for the required entry. For the bill of lading, I will do. Then the date of manufacture, if you wanted to maintain for the mandatory, you can do it here. And then the base unit of my measure also, it's an the optional one. You can do it for the required entry. So whatever the fields you require for changes, you can do it here. Done. So bill of lading, I have changed it to mandatory required entry and then I'll save. I'll get the CR number. Okay, field selection saved. So what I have to do now?
16.
You have to check.
Yes. See here, you can see it in a blue mark, right? Yes, you have to maintain the bill of lading number. As of now, I don't have any bill of lading number, so I can't able to maintain it here. Okay. If you wanted to change the further, for example, like in the quantity, if you wanted the quantity in unit of entry should be mandatory, or else anything, if you wanted the changes, you can make the changes here. Like for the delivery note also, if you wanted this to the required entry, you can make the changes. But the so whenever the vendor will deliver the material, right, the two things he will give you. One, invoice copy. In the invoice copy, all the data will be mentioned, the price and the quantity, how much he had delivered, everything will be maintained in the invoice copy. Okay. If the invoice copy is not given by the vendor, the one more is the delivery challan. In the delivery challan, how much quantity he has delivered you and all these details except price, all the details will be given by the vendor. Okay, whenever he delivered the material, two things he will give. One is the delivery challan, the second one is the invoice copy. Under the delivery channel, all the details will be there. How much quantities is delivering, so all those details will be there, name, the quantity and the everything. Price will be not price is not will be there in the delivery challan. Okay, the price and everything, all the tax and everything is will be in the invoice copy. Those two things are very important. Okay, so whatever the delivery challan you will receive, you have to maintain that particular delivery challan number here. This is for the domestic. Do I need to maintain the bill of lading number also whenever I receive the material from the domestic vendor?
No.
No, ma'am. Only
For
for
foreign vendors, we have to maintain.
Only for the import material, like only from the foreign vendor, if I receive the material, that time it's nothing but the same thing, delivery challan number. So here it's the name change, the bill of lading number, you have to maintain it. Okay, and this too is very important for the interview purpose. They may ask for the bill of lading. Okay, don't get confused, put a star mark and note down. This is the two difference. Okay, now I can't able to maintain any number here as I don't have any delivery challan or the bill of lading number is there, so I can't make the changes. So what I'll do, I'll go back, I'll do the SPRO. Can anyone tell me the path for the screen field setting? I'll change that particular bill of lading to the optional entry.
SPRO, SCP reference IMG.
Yeah, and from here you can tell inventory management and physical inventory.
Physical inventory setting for the enjoyed. What is the task
Yes.
setting for enjoyed
Just checking.
transaction? Setting for goods
Next.
movement.
Okay, see, bill of lading we made for the mandatory, right? Change it to the optional entry. Then save it. Again, you will be getting the CR number. Okay. Any doubt here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
In delivery note, if suppose the vendor is not maintaining everything, is it mandatory to maintain the delivery note?
No, It's not mandatory. If it's required, you can, or else it's not mandatory.
If the vendor is not giving everything that we need,
Yeah.
it's a document type.
You don't need to maintain anything here. Okay. If you're getting, you can maintain the number here. So you'll be getting all the details, like delivery challan number is nothing but the how much quantity is delivering. So whenever the material will be delivered from the vendor for the reference copy, he needs to give, right? So this much quantity we have given and all. If you wanted to maintain particular that number, you can maintain it here. For any further future purpose, you can access that one if it's required, or else no need. Yes, any doubt till here? We have done with the GR, like the all the configuration part. I have shown you GR with respect to the PO number and GR without PO also, and GR without PO. Srinivas and the Manish is facing some issue. We will connect now only. Just take 10-15 minutes break and get back. Okay. It's almost 1.5 hours the continuous classes. So take 10-15 minutes. So how long you need the break now? Manish?
Continue, ma'am.
Yeah, for me also.
So we can continue, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, we'll connect the I'll tell you that one. And then field selection. Why Monica has left?
I think the baby is awake. That's why.
Okay. Okay, fine. Like so yeah, GR with respect to the PO we have done, GR without PO also I have shown you. And then we have done for the cancellation of the material document, and then return delivery for a vendor we have done. And then in the GR configuration, number ranges, we have not created anything, whatever the existing, that is the W document type. Just we have seen the what and all the number are assigned. Okay. Just we have gone through that one. And the second is the screen field setting. We have done only the bill of lading changes. The same path you have to do. Then till now, any doubt you can ask. If you don't have any doubts, Manish or Srinivas, you can share your screen.
Yes.
Yes. You can share your screen then. 1 second. I have, yeah. Anyone can share the screen. Manish or Srinivas. Who is going to share the screen?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay, you can share.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Is it visible?
No.
Now is it?
Yeah. You can create the material now. Fresh material you have to create. Create the material. Srinivas,
Yes, ma'am.
take the standard one. If you have not done the quantity and the value update properly, then also you'll be getting the error. Just try with the standard one, then you can try with your industry sector and the material type. Take the mechanical industry, which I used to take every time.
This one, ma'am?
Yeah.
Mechanical industry.
Scroll down. Anything you can take. Scroll down.
This one?
Yeah, mechanical industry. That one. And the standard ROH. Yes. Plant TP10. Yeah, take that material number.
I have created vendor name.
Don't create vendor.
Need to create, man.
Go to the MyGo. Other. Under the material, you have to mention the material number. Enter. All the details you took. Go to the quantity. How much quantity you are buying from the vendor you have to maintain. Give any number. Yeah, go to the where tab. Maintain the plant TP10. Maintain the storage location.
Yes.
Scroll down. Item okay.
Yes,
It's already there. Yeah. Check. Are you getting any error now?
No.
Why? Last time what you have done the mistake?
I think I have not maintained the quantity.
Yeah, that's what I told you. You have to maintain the quantity. See, and one more thing. Did we maintain any data except material here? What I told you, GR without PO in the sense, vendor details also we are not maintaining, right?
Yes.
Through the call or through the email, we are buying the material. Just what we require, we just require the material number. For that, whatever the material we require, how much quantity we require, just we'll create one material number and then we'll send that to the vendor. That's all. Okay. So which moment type you are getting?
50.
Okay, say the material document 490553. I think you have not maintained the quantity.
Yes, previously.
Yeah. Now you understood, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I think Manish, you can share your screen.
I will stop. Sure. Sir, karge to ukte.
Srinivas, you can mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah, it's all. Manish, can you share your screen? Manish? Sukanya, have you tried without PO? Have you created the GR?
Yes, ma'am. I have created the GR. There I am getting that message. Means if I want to, I can if I selecting the display, there I am getting the quantity and the details. But when I want to change anything, That's the thing you told. I have just selected who's received and that who's received and purchase order I have given. There I'm getting that message that I have to select the material, not the quantity. Okay.
See that.
Does not contain any selectable items. It is there.
Okay, I'll check with that.
Yes.
Manish,
Yes.
yeah, can you share your screen?
Yes.
Yeah. You can create the material and you can create the GR.
Actually, I have material already.
With which industry structure and which material type you have created.
That
Can you create one normal material now? The new material.
okay. Plant, I can make it mine, na? ADP2.
Yeah, like we can't see your screen.
No?
Again, I think the same problem, I guess. The last time also we have this problem.
Oh. Okay. Stop.
That's what I told you. Take the standard industry sector and and take the standard material type. The reason why I'm telling you the standard one means if you have not checked the quantity and the value update while you're creating the material type, if you're not assigned properly, you can't able to create the GR here. Okay, you will be getting the error. So first try with the standard one. Then you can try with your whatever the material industry sector material type, whatever the plant you have created, right? You can try with your own material type and industry sector. First try with the standard one.
Which one is standard? Here is so many types, na?
Mechanical. You can select mechanical.
Mechanical engineering.
Yeah, mechanical industry you can check. Srinivas has took, right? For the practice
Wow.
purpose, every time I will take the mechanical industry, right?
Mechanical engineering.
Click that industry sector, click that. You'll be getting so many options.
Mechanical industry.
Yeah, this ROH is fine. Click on that. Take plant as an TP10 and the storage location as an RM00. Again, the screen got stuck.
Okay, I will make it first material.
Yeah, first you face the normal material with the TP10 plant and with the RM00 storage location.
Okay.
Done with the material creation?
Yes.
Go to the MyGo.
Still stuck or I don't understand.
Yeah, give material number. Yeah, mention the quantity under the quantity tab. Go to where? Mention the plant. Keep it. No, storage location RM00 you have to maintain. Yeah, plant TP10, storage location RM00. Scroll down, check item, okay? Yeah, it's done.
Already.
Yeah, go to check. Check. Just check whether you're
Yeah.
getting document is okay. Then you have to say. I think you have not updated the quantity.
No, actually, always I taking the plant and which I created, na?
Huh.
Or the store location. I cannot. I'm not taking TP10 always.
Okay, that day I told you, right? Whenever you're creating this and all configuration part, like the for the plant and all, there is some configuration needs to be done for the general ledger account and everything. So if you're not getting any GR or the PO on PR for your for your new creation of the plant and the storage location, you can use the standard one. The reason here is still we have not done the automatic account determination. There we need to assign valuation class to the general ledger account, everything. There will be a changes here there. That's why sometimes you will be getting some error if you have not assigned any steps properly while creating the plant or creating the storage location. You may face the issue. That's why I told you to take the standard one. Then
Okay.
you can try
Yeah.
with your industry sector and the material type also. After this, you can try with your material type and the industry sector. And if you're getting the same error, yesterday you have shared me one error, right? So
Yes.
cross check in the material type, like in the OMS2, go to the OMS2, check the material type quantity and the value update checkbox as ticked or not. Save it once again and then come back and in the MyGo, just take that material type and redo the GR. Okay,
Okay.
try with that once again. Yes, Sukanya, you can share your screen now.
Mansa, I'll try like this. Shall I leave now?
Yeah, you can. Manish, even if you don't have any doubts, you can leave.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Document shows that it does not contain. Go back. Give /n. So okay, give MIGO, MIGO. Okay, give the PO number. Enter. What error? Yeah, can you click that one? Document does not contain any selectable items. Okay, actually you're not created the PO properly, I guess. Create one more PO now.
But ma'am, when I'm displaying that, it is coming. Means, the quantity and the details are coming. That time.
We can see that.
I'm in this.
Not there.
Oh, sorry.
Enter.
Yeah. That is organization. 10. Sticky one. One time. Again, I'm taking this. I will take the existing one, no? Right?
Yeah, you can. Existing one.
Sorry, ma'am. I have taken that.
No, it's okay. Give the material number. Downside. Yeah. You have now give plant name. TP10.
Okay. It's fine. Then
Enter.
now I can't remember it. Okay.
Okay, for the material master, you have to create the material master also. I think you have done. You
I
have
think
done any so. I guess.
I have not taken that one.
Take any previous material,
Okay.
not this. Any previous material.
I have not taken, I think so. I have pasted the wrong one.
Maybe.
Mm.
Material number.
Now it's
Yeah.
taken.
Enter a quantity. Just mention 100. Enter. Save it. Yeah, take this PO number. Go to MyGo.
Yeah.
Now you're getting.
Here, if I want to change anything, like
You can change it here. Mention any 50 quantity now. You have ordered 100 quantity, but the vendor has delivered 50 quantity. Mention it, item okay. Then go to where? Wait. Where? You have to give the storage location address also. RM00. Check first.
what I've done, ma'am, earlier I have take the block stock. I don't know.
No. First check.
Okay.
You will be getting one message now. See
Yeah.
that deficit of PO ordered quantities, remaining 50 quantity, you can do the again GR. Okay. That is not the error, that is just the message. Give right mark and then save it. Yeah, created material document.
Now I can get this.
You tried without PO?
Ma'am, without no. Ma'am, actually what happened, yesterday I have created 2 materials, and with that I have tried to do, but I don't know why I am facing, when I am creating the PO, I am facing the error, the assignment is not properly done, and like that. 2 material I have faced the same thing. So at morning, I again tried with the different one. Means here you can see the same thing happened for this. Then I have created with the standard one today. So then I'm getting that message.
Okay.
So I have showed you, yeah. But I have tried with the stocked and the unrestricted one. And by getting that means
I'll tell you, that is the moment stock types unrestricted, blocked, and the quality and all. I'll tell you. Just hold on, okay? Tomorrow, after tomorrow, I'll be telling the stock types.
right.
You can move the material from the quality to unrestricted and the unrestricted to blocked. I will give you one code. Then you will be getting.
Yeah. Then I tried with that one, means the set. I have clicked that set, and I have seen that that 2 marks that which you have just told today, no? The Dell and the document one. I have seen that. I have tasted that thing, but I am stuck with this, so that's okay. Ma'am, another thing,
Okay.
I want to show you. Here you can see the the interface is not properly done here also, and here also the goods received cancellation. Yesterday when I am seeing the means order was not correct.
Yeah. I understood.
And another thing, ma'am, I want to show you. Here also you can see the ROH and all those are not coming.
Yeah. This you told the previous only. So even I'm trying to contact with that person. Actually, is literally busy. So once I'll get his slot, we can connect. Okay, he will resolve these issues.
Okay.
This is the technical part. Okay, this should be done by him only.
Okay.
Apart from this, do you have any questions?
Right now, I will
Yeah.
to practice this. Yeah.
And scenario, the cancellation and the return delivery and the configuration part and all. If you have any doubts, you can give me a call.
Sure. I will send a message. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.